guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Haitian fried goat, also known as Tasso Kabrit. So for this I have some beautiful pieces of goat meat that I will be using. I bought this from the store already cut up, so I don't really have to do much work to it, but we will be trimming off as much fat as we possibly can. And I will be using 1 lime to clean my goat meat. I do have other meat cleaning videos up in the channel. I will leave the link for them down in the description box for you guys to check out. And I have 1 frozen Roma tomato. As you guys know, I garden, so this came from my garden. I just like to freeze my stuff so they don't get wasted. And this was introduced to me by my aunt, that's sazon guaya. She liked to use these in her cooking, so she told me I should try it, and I've been trying it for a month and I really like it. It gives my meat a nice beautiful color. So I will be using 2 of those packets. But if you don't have it, it's okay. It's optional. If you have it, fine. If you don't have it, it's okay. And I have 1 piece of bell pepper that I poked with some clove and some thyme tied with some parsley. And I have 2.5 tablespoons of my Haitian spice, which I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I make this. And I have the heat. I have 1 habanero pepper that I will be using. I feel like using a little heat today. And I'll be using a little bit of this sour orange that I recently started using too. I love using that. And I have 4 cups of water. And of course you will be needing some oil and some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, we are starting off by boiling some water so that we can wash our meat with once we are done washing it with the lime. So to start, I'm gonna go ahead and just check through the meat. Some of them have like little hairs. You want to make sure you definitely remove those visible pieces of hairs that you see. And I am going to trim as much fat as I can, like I told you guys. I just don't like too much fat on my meat. It's just me, but if you don't mind, you can definitely leave it. It's not wrong to like it. So I'm going to take another plate and just put all the fat right there. So I'm just gonna go through almost every piece and remove the fat. I don't want to bore you guys to death, so I am going to do this off camera. Again, all I'm doing is trimming some of the fat off, and then I'll come back, then we can start cleaning our goat meat. All right, now it's time to take my lime and start washing my goat meat. Make sure you scrub each piece of your goat meat with that lime. This will enhance some flavor and definitely take that goat smell out of your goat meat before you cook it. Guys, please don't forget to go subscribe to my Creole channel. I created a recipe channel in Creole. So let me say this to those that don't speak English. S'il vous plaît, si nous parlez créole, moi gon l'autre channel, moi créé en créole. So please, I'll check channel ça. Et puis subscribe pour me faire vidéo yo. Pour nous garder vidéo en créole, okay? So yes guys, don't forget to go subscribe to my Creole channel. I will leave the link for that channel down in the description box for you guys to go check out. And as always, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat, all that good stuff. The link will be down in the description box as always. I love when you guys send me messages on Instagram, on Snapchat. Sometimes those messages just make my day. So again, I have some water boiling on my tea kettle over there. I'm just waiting for it to get nice and hot, and then we're going to pour it on top of our goat meat. You know, I'm about to show you guys how I do the water, because I know somebody will ask. So I literally will just take the hot water and pour over my meat, and then now you can take them out one by one, of course, and then put them in whatever pot you are going to cook your meat in. So just like this. And then I'm going to take them, rinse them a little bit, and then put them in my cooking pot. All right, I just had to come back and show you guys exactly how I do it, because I know somebody will ask. Okay, now I have my meat all rinsed out and clean. You want to go ahead and put your epis and turn your stove on to medium high. You guys, I know you noticed I didn't list Maggi. Maggi is always optional. If you like Maggi, go ahead and add Maggi. If you have chicken bouillon, go ahead and add that if you wish, but it's always optional, you guys. If you don't like certain things I put in my food, you can leave it out and just add whatever you want, or just, like I said, it's you who's gonna eat your food. If you have some kind of health issue, it's you who know. I really don't know. So I'm just showing you guys the basic two things. And you guys can make your little adjustments at home that fits your lifestyle. Okay, so to that I'm going to add this seasoning, which will give it a nice beautiful color. Thank you, Auntie, for introducing me to this. And then just mix it. Look at that, it already gave it a nice red color, and it smells so good actually. So if you don't have it, like I said, it's okay, but if you can get your hands on that, go ahead and pick you up some, girl or guys. I approve. It tastes really good. It smells good, like I said. See, look at that, it already have a nice color to it already. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my parsley and thyme, which is clean, and I'm going to add that Roma, oopsies, it does not want to come, that Roma tomato. My stove is very clean, guys, so don't worry. And then I'm going to add the heat. I feel like being a little brave today. And to that I'm going to add some citrus. Instead of using some lime juice, I'm just using this. So I bought 1 tablespoon and mix that. So that's just sour orange, but if you have lime juice, you can use that instead. And I'm going to add 4 cups of water to this, only because my kids, actually I'm going to add 2 cups, only because my kids love gravy, and I plan on serving the gravy on top of some rice for them. But as far as my husband and I, we're just gonna eat Fui Thai style. So allow this to cook, and we are gonna go in with a little bit of salt. Taste your food and salt to your own liking, but this is about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And we are going to allow this goat meat to cook until it is nice and tender. I did add 2 cups of water, and I still have 2 cups left. If I need, I can add more, just so that the water don't dry out. So allow it to cook on medium high until your meat is nice and tender. All right, guys, my goat meat is all done cooking. It looks like this. I went ahead and put some oil on a Dutch pot. So now I have my stove set to medium high still, and I will show you guys how I test my oil. So I'm going to take a piece of the goat meat, and as you can see, it's bubbling and it's starting to float on top. That means your water is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and place my goat meat in there. Be careful so you don't get burned. I'm going to put a cup in there and let them fry until they are about a golden brown color. Okay guys, this is how my goat meat is looking like, my Tasso Kabrit. So I went ahead and lined one of my other pan with a paper towel, and I am just going to put it in there so they can drain, and then I'm going to fry the rest of my goat meat, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I plate it and tell you guys what I plan on eating with it. Okay guys, my Tasso Kabrit is done. As you can see, I went ahead and put it on a nice white plate, and I put some cilantro on top of it just to make it look nice and pretty. Guys, be sure you give some of this recipe a try this upcoming holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. If you don't like turkey, this is something you can definitely do just to satisfy yourself. But this will do it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. And please don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you like Tasso beef or Tasso goat meat. Let me know what your favorite type of tasso is. And of course, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And please, like I said before, share the channel with everybody you know. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.